Hey YouTube, it's LaSherie, and I am back for an update on the waveformers. As you can see, they've been in for quite some time, and my hair should be 100% dry. And so this is just an update, and we will see the outcome together. So I've watched other videos, and I see that they use a little oil on their hands before taking it down. From what I understand, it helps prevent frizz. So I'll be using a little bit of my Chi Silk Infusion oil, and yeah, I'll just use like a dime size. I'm not sure if I need any or if I need much more than that. These things are super uncomfortable. Like they hurt like hell. So I don't know how people are saying that they slept in these because they hurt. Alright. And it's like even if you move it into a different direction, it like pulls on your freaking scalp. So I'll go ahead and do the first one first. Oh, I don't even want to move that. I'll take this out first. Okay. I don't know how hard they are to slide off. Oh, it comes right off. Okay. Oh, the roots are a little crunchy. They actually look like back in the day crimps, which is kind of what I expected. But oh, this one is hard. Oh. Fail. I mean, I know I've watched enough YouTube videos to know that it takes maybe like between 2 and 4 years before you even get a good amount of viewers or followers. Right now I got like a couple dozen, so I know not many people even look at the videos, and I've been active on YouTube for maybe a week. So this is just the beginning for me. I'm just hoping at some point things pick up. I know 2 years may not be a long time to some people, but I mean, maybe I'm just impatient, but it definitely seems like a long time because again, I did my first video like a week ago, and that seems like forever. I guess maybe I just expected the channel to grow a little faster just because I have a big family and a lot of female acquaintances, I should say, but not everybody is interested in the same things that I'm interested in, and that's understandable. It's cool. All right. Okay, so let's just see. I used gel as well, and I think maybe that's why some parts of it looks a little drier than it should. So I know next time I will probably skip that part because they're not hard at all. So maybe I should have just gone with the mousse. Okay, so yeah, no. There was a method that one of them used to just, so like just take the comb and not comb through it, but all that gel is making it hurt. But just like fluff the roots, I guess. Oh no. Okay. This right here is not the outcome that I was expecting. Yeah, because see, I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but there are flakes from the hair gel. So that part was probably not the best idea. Oh no. And that's not a good idea either. Okay, so it's not cute right now. So what I'm gonna do is separate them. I have to get a pick because from what I understand, I'm just supposed to like pick the roots through wherever the hair is separated, and that will bring it more volume. So I'm gonna play around with that for a while, and then I will come back when it's actually looking like something. Okay, so I've been playing around with it for a little while and I don't hate it. It's like, it makes it look shorter, a lot shorter, which is not a bad thing because it just gives me a different look because my hair is like usually flat, like straight, or with a little texture, never like this. So it's just a couple more pieces in here that are like a lot shinier than the other pieces. I don't know, maybe I use more product on those, but I like it. I think I'll give it a couple of days. Hopefully it'll last a couple of days and then it'll just like get bigger, and I don't know, but it's definitely not a fail. It's something that I will do again. I would just do things a little differently because again, I don't like the fact that the roots feel hard because of the hair gel, and I also don't like didn't like leaving them in for so long to let them air dry because it pulls on your hair and it hurts. So it's just like basically getting new braids and having somebody pull on the braids because it's just that heavy. But or maybe just because I use so many, I don't know. Yeah, but that is my tutorial and review. So this is not a fail for me. I actually, after I played around with it a lot, it's growing on me. So I'll give this one a thumbs up. All right, so thank you for watching, and feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, if you would like to see something or to give me ideas for just natural hairstyle ideas, I guess, feel free. I'm open to try anything at this point. Well, almost anything. I know people can get a little crazy, but yeah, this is the end of this video. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you again soon.